Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install Gnome desktop on your server, first of all you need to add a new user. After that, set the password for this user and give the permission of sudo. If you have a user right now, you can skip this step. When the user is added, you need to run the following command to install the Gnome desktop on your system. Once the installation is complete, you can go into your server. You will see the next. Here just log in into your user and you can start work with Gnome desktop. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.